with a new Penfill cartridge 3 ml. First, pull off the pen cap and twist the pen apart. Check the name and colour of the cartridge to make sure that it contains the type of insulin you need, and check that it has no cracks or damage. Insert the cartridge into the cartridge holder with the threaded end first. Push the pen back together and twist until you hear or feel a click. Hold the pen horizontally between your palms and roll it back and forth. Move the pen up and down. Repeat until the insulin is uniformly white and cloudy. Right before injection, always attach a new needle. If using Novo Fine, screw the needle straight and tightly onto the pen. To test the insulin flow, pull out the dose button and turn it to select 2 units. Press the dose button all the way in until the dose counter shows 0. And make sure insulin squirts from the tip of the needle. To select a dose, pull out the dose button and turn it to select the number of units you need to inject. Adjust the dose by dialing forward or backward if necessary. To inject the dose, lift a skin fold, insert the needle into your skin, and press the dose button all the way in until the dose counter shows 0. You may then hear or feel a click. Keep the needle in your skin after the dose counter has returned to 0 and count slowly to 6. Always remove and throw away the needle after every injection. Once the needle is covered, carefully push the outer needle cap completely on. Always hold the black cartridge holder when you unscrew the needle. Otherwise, you may twist your pen apart. If this happens, twist the pen together again. Dispose of the needle